Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to join this network error on iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, then tap on Wi-Fi and forget the Wi-Fi network. After forget the Wi-Fi network, we have to disable the Wi-Fi, then back to settings. Here we have to tap on privacy and tap on location services. Now tap on system services. Here you will find the option network and wireless. Disable this option by turning off, then go back to settings. Here we have to tap on mobile or cellular data, and you will see your option Wi-Fi assist. We have to disable Wi-Fi assist. How we disable? We have to open the control center, enable mobile or cellular data, then tap on Wi-Fi assist to off, then go back to control center and disable mobile or cellular data. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, we have to go back to settings, tap on privacy and tap on location services, system services. Here we are going to enable network and wireless. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue by reconnecting to the desired Wi-Fi network. And also here we are going to do one more thing. In settings, tap on the battery and disable low power mode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.